Okay, welcome back everyone. So Vastav is asking that, sir, is it necessary to find through graph only? Yes, yes. For this type of question, Vastav, we have to find through graph only. Definitely we can find this without graph as well. But for this type of question, we have to find through graph only. Okay. Now, so first question was drawing the graph. Second question is from here, you have to find this. Okay. So second question clear or not? From here, we have to go towards here. So nearly 28 something you will get. Now third question, if each daughter gets 1/6 of the fortune, then what is the fraction of wealth distributed among each of his sons? Now see over here. So if each daughter gets 1/6 of the fortune, so here what is 1/6 of the fortune? Total fortune is 1 crore. So first you have to find 1/6. So 1/6, if you will find, you will get, I think, approximately 16.67 lakhs, isn't it? So in this case, you are going to get 16.67 lakhs. And for 16.67 lakhs, and in this question, you can find from equation also, right? No issue. Directly you can find from equation as well. So let me show you this from equations. So for question number 2, if each son gets, okay, okay. So if each son gets rupees 15 lakh, so your x is rupees 15 lakh, 6 zeros, then what should be the share of each daughter? So what is our equation over here? Equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 crore, isn't it? So therefore it is 3x plus 2y. Or if I'm taking units, right, let us simplify this. So if I'm taking x and y in lakhs, right, or in 10 lakhs, so you can simplify this question, but let us take this only. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 15 crore rupees. Now x is 15 lakhs. So 3 into 15 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2y is equal to 1 crore. Definitely, I think you are going to face difficulty over here in number of zeros. So what I'm going to do now is see. Okay. So let us reduce this equation. Okay. So let us assume over here that x is in from graph 10 lakhs. Okay. That I am writing this in terms of lakhs. X is in lakhs, y is in lakhs. So 1 crore can be written as 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. Okay. So now your equation will become 3x plus 2y is equal to 100 lakhs, where your x and y is in lakhs. Okay. Where your x and y is in lakhs. Now, if I'm putting any value of x and y in this equation, I have to put this in terms of lakhs. Now, second condition, if each son gets rupees 15 lakhs, so my x is rupees 15, right? Because x is in lakhs, so x is equal to 15 lakhs. Now I have to find y. So 3 into 15 plus 2y is equal to 100. So 15 3s are 45 plus 2y equal to 100. So here 2y will be 100 minus 45, that will be 55. If 2y is equal to 55, then y is 27.5 lakhs. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. Is it clear, students? Shall we move to third part? Don't worry, I won't take your much time, right? In 5 to 10 minutes, we will complete this. if each daughter gets 1/6 of the fortune, so daughter is getting 1/6 of 100 lakhs. Okay, total fortune is of 100 lakhs. So what is 1/6 of 100? You can convert it into fraction, means decimal, or you can write like this only. So write like this only, 100/6 lakhs only. Then what is the fraction of wealth distributed among each of the son? Because for son also they are asking fraction of wealth only. Okay, so we'll also find x in fraction of y in 100 only. So our equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 100, right? So therefore 3, my x I have to find, plus 2 times y is 100/6 is equal to 100. 2 3s are 6. So here 3x will be 100 minus 100/3, because if this 100/3 will go to that side, it will become minus 100/3. So here 3x will become 3 into 100, 300 minus 100/3, which is equal to 200/3. So therefore 3x is equal to 200/3. So here x will become 200/9. 3 3s are 9. Are you getting my point? Please give me some response. So here your x will become 200/9. Okay, but we have to write in terms of fraction of 100, right? Because they are asking what fraction of wealth they will get. So 2/9 into 100 lakhs. So boys will get, or his sons will get, 2/9 of fraction, or I can say each son will get 2/9 of total wealth, total fortune. Okay, फोर्थ कौन सा फोर्थ यशस? दिस इज थर्ड वन. फोर्थ तो अभी दिखा ही नहीं है. ओके, so this is your third part, right? आपको दिया है 1/6 of 100 and they are asking you what fraction of part will be for. So let us see fourth part now. If all his children get same amount, then each daughter gets rupees blank and each son will get blank. So all children are getting same amount. So Yashila, this is your answer. So here x is equal to y. Okay, so I'm repeating this third part once again. So in this third part, see over here, in the question they are telling that if daughter is getting 1/6 of total wealth, 1/6 of total fortune, then which portion of total fortune are getting, or it is being distributed among sons, or sons are getting how much fraction of total wealth, that we have to find. So if I'm taking y as 100/6, I'm putting y as 100/6 in this equation. 2 3s are 6. This is 100/3. If it will go to RHS, it will become minus 100/3. 100 minus 100/3 will give me 200/3 after simplification. And if I have to write this in terms of hundreds, so it will become 2/9 into 100. So each son will get 2/9th part of total fortune. Each son will get 2/9th part of total fortune. Each son will get 2/9th part of total fortune. Is it clear now? Now let us see fourth part. So in fourth part, it is given that each children is getting same amount. So amount by x is equal to amount by y. So here our equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 100 lakhs. Since x is equal to y, instead of y, I am putting x. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 100. So it can be converted to linear equation in one variable, which is your favorite chapter. So x is equal to 20 lakhs rupees, right? And so y. So here x is equal to y is equal to 20 lakhs. So your answer is each child will get 20 lakh rupees. Is it clear or not? Okay. So next. If each daughter gets twice as amount as money as its sons get, right? If each daughter is getting twice the amount as its sons get, then each daughter gets rupees blank and each son get rupees blank. So daughter is getting twice amount of son. What is daughter getting? Y. It is twice amount of son, so it is 2x. Now what is our equation? Our equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 100. So instead of y, I am putting 2x now. So this will become 3x plus 2 times y is 2x. So it will become 3x plus 2 times 2x, since y is equal to 2x is equal to 100. 2 2s are 4x. So 3x plus 4x is equal to 100. 3x plus 4x is what? 3x plus 4x is 7x. So therefore 7x is equal to 100. So x will become 100 by 7. Okay. So you can write this 100 by 7 as it is, right? Because it will be easy. So x will get 100 by 7 lakh of rupees or lakhs. And y will get 2 into x, which is equal to 200 by 7 lakhs of rupees. So this will be your final answer. Here what they are asking is, they are asking this only, right? That how much money each son get. Each son will get 100 by 7 lakhs and each daughter get 200 by 7 lakhs, or 1 by 7th of 1 crore, 2 by 7th of 1 crore. Is it clear or not? Please give me some response. ये सारी चीज clear हुई? Question 7 clear or not, students? Okay. So today's homework will be, right, again try 9M 4.2 exercise, in class exercise and homework. In class exercise explained today, just complete it, right? Just write all the things in your book, and homework try again. Okay, try again with this new level of understanding. Okay, try again with this new level of understanding. Definitely you will able to solve, and revise all the chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 4. First revise whatever I have already explained and done. We have already done. Y8 is equal to 2x. Remove 8, sir. कौन सा 8? Because where? I did not understand y8 is equal to 2x. Acha, question. It is given in question y equal to 2x. It is given in question that each girl is getting double amount of what each boy is getting, right? So this is your, okay. Cartesian system I will explain you in 9M05. Okay. So Cartesian system I will explain you 9M05. This is Cartesian system only. What we are following this now, it is nothing but this is Cartesian system, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. How we are following this? Okay. This is nothing but your Cartesian system only. Is it clear? That we will discuss, don't worry. So your time of test and all things we will discuss, don't worry. Okay. Cartesian system is nothing but this only, right? Cartesian system is this. Okay. This xy plane is your Cartesian system, in which we are plotting all these things, -1, -2, -3, right, on x-axis, y-axis. So this is your Cartesian system only, nothing else. Okay. So thank you everyone. Z-axis is in 3D, it is not in our portion. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Thank you everyone. Thank you. So have a great day and best of luck for exam from now only.